system aside the reserve requirement. So if they didn't do it at this meeting and they did it at the next meeting, if the variables continue to, be stable, at the time they hold the next meeting, they will ease. So much as I am advocating that they ease all the policy levers, I would not have them rush into it. So let's wait another 2 months and see if the indicators continue to be stable. Because stable indicators doesn't raise any alarm about the situation of the banks.
Now, on the final notes, just before I let you go, let's look at government policies generally. Now, in what ways do you think that they have been able to spur growth in the economy when we look at the numbers for the first quarter of the year?
I'll be very careful, what weight we put on the growth rates, given that we just rebased, and the rebased figures had just been recently revised. I'll not act based on the first quarter growth after the rebasing. I'll wait for a pattern, in the growth rates. I'll wait for another quarter, preferably 2 more quarters, before I begin to draw strong inferences for what the growth numbers are saying. So I'll just be tentative. 6.21%. Oh, that's fine. That's lovely. Let's see what the second quarter is going to tell us. Let's see what the third quarter is going to tell us. Given that we just rebased, and the rebasing exercise gave us about 89%, 90% growth rate. So you've got it in 9%. Now you have 6.21%. Let's wait. Let's see. Let's have a pattern before we begin to comment too strongly on the growth numbers. That would be my attitude. Thank you very much
for your time with us.
It's a pleasure.
Access Bank of Nigeria held its Women Initiative program recently in Lagos.
It's all about women, and it's begun with a free makeup session for all. Running in low profile since 2006, the W initiative of Access Bank is structured to empower women at all levels of life. It has now passed through intensive research, hence the relaunch.
You are a career woman, you are doing your own business, there is something in Access for you.
So W is about women who desire to be inspired, connected, and empowered. W is about you, about the Nigerian women and women all around the world.
Access Bank is ready to help women across all stages of life.
Illustrative sessions to enlighten women on the benefits of the scheme. And the managing director, Mr. Herbert Wigwe, is the mouthpiece at that.
We have self-sustained ourselves. We have built this industry from our personal pockets. And today we even have one more branch of the center. I have built you about my business.
We will take time to understand your business and we'll support you. I don't think there's anything that's so complex in your business. You've grown it, it's expanded, all right? We will determine what the financial needs can be.
It is something that all the banks should have done. That they are ahead of the crowd is a mark that sets them apart.
The most interesting one and very, very unusual is the support for in vitro fertilization. Because there are many women, Nigerian women, that want to have children that cannot, and then cannot also afford to go and have the procedure.
If you look at SMEs today, they're controlled about 30% by women, yet nobody's paying attention to them. And from our own experience, when we started this in 2006, they basically have the lowest default rates. So we thought we should do it.
The Access Bank W initiative is also designed to network women with business mentors. And at this forum, about 30 women were connected to successful business owners.
It's time to go on a break, and when we come back, we'll bring you some of our business tidbits. You're welcome back. It's now time to bring you some of our business tidbits. Starting a business with a partner. First, ask yourself, do I really need a business partner to build a successful company? Taking on business partners should be reserved for when a partnership is critical to success. Say, when the prospective partner has financial resources, connections, or vital skills you lack. You may be better off hiring the other person as an employee or an independent contractor. Get to know your potential partner and learn about his or her personal and professional values, ideas, and goals. If you haven't worked together previously, test the partnership out by tackling a small project together that showcases each other's skills and requires cooperation. This is also a way to learn about each other's personality and core values. Consult a lawyer and an accountant to draw up a written partnership agreement. People with strong personal connections may feel certain that the supposedly unbreakable bond will help them overcome any obstacles along the way. That will be all on the program. Please, you can send your comments and questions to Business Incorporated at channelstv.com. You can also join me on Twitter. Thank you for watching. I am Bolaji Akinwale.